This part of San Francisco is the Little Italy, North Beach. Look at that beautiful church. And their park, so huge. And there's so many good Italian restaurant all over this area. Yep, you can see as you can see their flag. Nice. And if you go all the way down, you can see there's Fisherman's Wharf is over there at the end, all the way down straight, and there's a big roller coaster, huge roller coaster at the end of that line. See, it says there Bienvenuti, North Beach, Little Italy. Look at that gorgeous. Wait. Gorgeous church, and then right next to it, a little bit further off, is the Coit Tower over at Telegraph Hill. Oh, that's the one I'm talking about over there. The Ferris wheel, the white Ferris wheel over there. That used to be at the Golden Gate Park in front of the science something place, but they moved it over there. That's the same thing. I'm gonna check it out. This is a cute place, right? Look at this pastry shop. Cool, right? Victoria Pastry Company right there. Nice. There's the most crookedest street here in San Francisco, the Lombard Street, all the way up there. Lombard Street. Pier 39, Fisherman's Wharf. And you can see the Alcatraz not far from here, right over there. It's really visible today. No fog. And look at this. Here, the Sky Star Ferris wheel. I know it's the Sky Star. This used to be in the Golden Gate Park, and they moved it here. That lights up at night with different colors. It's really beautiful at night. So, Sky Star Fisherman's Wharf. Nice. And there's a statue of sea lion. And if you go all the way down, you will get to Girardelli Square. It's all the way up in the hill. The Alyotos restaurant right over there, and Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. This is the railway for the street trolley. Nice. Looks like it's gonna rain again. I tried that one time. I'm not gonna try it again. It's too high, especially if you go. Diba? Ito na yung end of Market Street. Ito yung Embarcadero. Ayan, may street trolley, oh, naghihintay ng pasahero. Ang ganda, gorgeous, right? Para siyang a postcard. Even yung kulay ng tubig nagre-reflect yung langit. Ayan yung yung clock tower right there. Okay lang yung crowd kasi lagi ditong talagang super crowded, super busy. Oh, di ba? Tahimik, walang katao-tao. California street here in San Francisco. And Chinatown. Ayan yung dami ng tao ngayon dito, oh. Punong-puno yung food court nila. Kahit saan ka pumunta, halos nabubunggo mo ang mga tao. Punta ako sa kabila kasi west side and east side mall to. Punta ako sa east side mall. Labas na ako nung ito yung west, lumabas na ako. Tingnan nyo, oh, ayan na yung pagoda. Ito yung pinaka nila plaza. Hope Plaza. Yeah, yung punta ako dun sa isa sa east side. Nandun yung Daiso. Uy, ang daming mga costume. Look. Look, oh, ayun, oh, ayun. Diba? Sasarap naman ng mga yan. Yeah. Ayan, look at that. That looks really good. Isang buong bento box, oh. Ayan. Osakaya special. Kaya pala ang daming laman, special siya. Oh, lunch special nila, $15.95. A different color of pigeons or dove, but this one is purely black. Gorgeous. Okay. This is the part of the Pier 39 at Fisherman's Wharf that I'd love to have an ice cream, sit down at the back porch, and just look at the beautiful boats. It's so relaxing in there. The air is super fresh and cool. Golden Gate Chocolate Store. Dito mo makikita lahat ng iba't ibang klase ng masasarap na tsokolate at candy. Oh my God, this place is awesome. And of course, the Trish Mini Donuts. Isa ito sa attraction dito sa Pier 39 dahil napakasarap ng mini donuts nila. Ayan no, may plain sugar or with cinnamon at masarap i-partner sa hot chocolate. Perfect. And then yung susunod na area, dyan yung bungee jumping at saka yung farmer's market nila, yung mga iba-ibang prutas and nuts. For some reason, they don't have it today. This restaurant, The Hook, is one of my favorite here at Pier 39. This is where I brought my kumare and my inaanak to have lunch. And the place is beautiful. The food are delicious and the ambience, I love it. And the decors as well. And then, ito yung sinasabi kong by time na pag natapatan mo, mayroong farmer's market dito sa Pier 39. Yan yung bilihan ng mga prutas at mga nuts, mga kung ano-ano. Tabi ng bungee jumping, malapit sa Pearl Factory. Then, itong mga ibang pictures is halo-halo na ito yung mga throughout the years na lagi akong pumupunta sa Fisherman's Wharf. Either may kasama ako or solo. I love going to the wharf. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang ulit akong nagpunta pabalik-balik sa lugar na to kasi talagang gusto ko yung tabing dagat, yung pakiramdam na fresco, yung nandoon sa iisang area lahat, restaurant, shopping, foodie pa naman ako as you can see sa mga picture ko. Iba, puro lapang, puro kain. Kaya solo flight ako or inaaya ko yung mga friends ko, kain talaga. Tapos, gusto ko kasing kumakain, nagkukwentuhan, nakakatanggal ng stress pag may yung combination ng good conversation and food and then mga favorite mong bagay na ginagawa, sharing it with your close friends or family. I wish nga sana kung nandito lang yung family ko sa Amerika but hindi sila nakapunta rito, yung nanay at kuya ko tsaka yung sister ko. Ako lang ang nakapunta rito mag-isa kaya lagi kong kasama mga kaibigan, mga katrabaho at yung mga matagal ko ng friends dito since dumating ako noong 1994 at yung mga long time friends ko. Yan, paulit-ulit lang kami bumabalik dito sa Fisherman's Wharf. At since ang topic ng video na ito ay tungkol sa pamamasyal, pagkain, and friends and company at mostly sa Fisherman's Wharf, Pier 39 ng San Francisco at itutodo ko na ito, ipapakita ko na lahat ng mga pictures na i-compile ko na naipon ko tong mga pictures na ito throughout the years ng paulit-ulit at ilang beses ko nang pagpunta sa Fisherman's Wharf at kung saan pang lugar dito na karatig or malapit sa Fisherman's Wharf around the area. So, hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang beses akong nagpabalik-balik sa Fisherman's Wharf throughout the years, like almost 3 decades. Here you go. And I hope magustuhan niyo yung mga pictures. And thank you for watching. And here it is. Enjoy! Pasensya na doon sa ingay, dumaan yung cable car kasi yung apartment unit ko is tabi talaga ng street kung saan dumadaan yung cable car. Pabalik-balik yan mula madaling araw hanggang madaling araw, like all the way, walang tigil, going up the hill, going down the hill, dahil napakaraming mga tourist na sumasakay ng cable car whole day and night. Tumitigil yan siguro mga around 2 or 3 a.m. and then magre-resume ng maagang maaga, like 6 siguro. Paikot yan dito sa buong San Francisco.
Kaya pag dumadaan yan, naku po, kahit natutulog ka, magigising ka dahil talagang parang tren, rumaragas at dumadagundong. Tapos sumisigaw pa yung mga tourist dahil either natutuwa sila or yung pabulusok pababa. So yung adrenaline rush at excitement sumisigaw. Tapos yung iba is pag may occasion like Warriors or 49ers or St. Patrick or kung anumang holiday, talagang very cheerful sila, talagang kumakaway, humihiyaw, lalo na pag nakasilip ka sa bintana, kakawayan ka. Tapos yung talaga yung mga tao barang ngayon nakasakay ng cable car. But it's nice, that they are friendly. It's just that kung dito ka nakatira is lagi ka nang nakakakita ng cable car, nagsasawa ka, at saka yung noise ba, hindi ka makatulog, pero nakasanayan na. It's been like that for, as I said, 30 years. It is what it is, right? But anyway, sinabi ko lang dahil baka narinig nyo kanina sa background yung parang may dumaragundong, tsaka yung may bell. Yun, pagpapara, may magpapara na tourist or kung sino man na nakasakay, local or tourist, pagbababa sa certain stop, iriring yung bell. And then that signals that the operator, the driver, to halt or to stop because someone is getting off the cable car. That's how they do it here. So, parang trivia na rin, di ba? Just in case magawi kayo rito sa San Francisco at makasakay kayo ng cable car, you have an idea na kung paano bababa. Kasi yung iba inisip nila, paano ba ako bababa? Ano bang sasabihin ko? Sabihin nyo lang sa driver as soon as you, yung sakay na kung saan kayo bababa. Kunwari, for example, I wanna get off at Bush Street. Because Powell yung main street. And then yung cross, every cross yan, yung stop. I wanna get off at Bush or Hyde Street or California Street. And then yun na yun. Tanda na ng driver yun, iriring niya na yung bell. May sign kasi doon, do not pull the string. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know why you cannot pull the string if you want to get off, right? I think trabaho yun ng driver at saka yung co-driver niya. Dalawa lagi yan. Isang operator and then isang kumukuha ng bayad ng mga nakasakay sa cable car. Chine-check yung mga bus passes kasi merong Clipper card, mayroong bus pass that good for the whole day or merong bayad na pair na good for one trip lang, which is $8 or round trip $16. Iba-iba ang form of payment. Meron din yung mga yung mga Apple Pay, yung ganon, may mga Clipper card na nakalagay na sa mga cellphone, Android or Apple. Kaya kailangan dalawa, isang nagda-drive, isang nag-aasikaso ng mga customer at nagbabantay kasi yung iba makulit, tumatayo, gumagalaw, nagkukuha ng video, nagka-camera. Alam mo naman ang cable car, baba taas yan ng up the hill, down the hill, biglang i-stop. Kaya delikado talaga, accident prone. Kaya kailangan may nagwa-warning or may nagsusupervise. Kaya hindi pwedeng isa operator lang tas walang nagsusupervise sa paligid. For the safety of everyone na rin. So there you go. Another parang kaalaman or tawag dito, do's and don'ts. Mga parang anecdotes, ganyan, trivia. Para pag nakapunta kayo rito, hindi kayo parang tourist na walang idea, clueless, right? At least kung mapapanood nyo to, based sa mga sinabi ko at sa pictures na nakakompile dito, you'll get the whole idea or the picture, how it is, how it's like, and how it's going to be, and how you can act when you're here. Like some tourists, they act very touristy, like you could tell they are not from here. But if you are really good at reading between the lines and based on this picture and based on everything that I said, then you'll get the big picture. So you know how to act or talk or what's not to do and do's and don'ts when you get it. If you happen to visit the Bay Area. Yan ang tawag namin sa San Francisco, Bay Area. But ang state namin is Golden State. Kasi every state dito sa US, iba-iba ang mga parang moniker, yung mga tawag. Like Florida, when I used to live in Jacksonville, Florida, we call our Florida State Sunshine State. Tapos, naman sa Atlanta, something peach. New York, of course, Big Apple. Tapos, Chicago, Windy City. Tapos, dito nga sa San Francisco, Golden State. And that represent our Golden Gate Bridge. Because dito nagsimula yung gold rush nung way back. Yung mga ginto, mga nuggets, gold rush. Kaya naging Golden State. Yun. Diba? Ang dami nyong nalaman na kung ano-ano based on this simple video. Kasi ganun ako. I love sharing what I know, all the knowledge that I acquired throughout the years. I love to share it, because everything we could learn from everything and from everyone. It's just like that, we sharing is caring, as they say. Kaya tawag dito, natututo tayo sa iba't ibang karanasan ng ibang tao based on sa panunood natin and observation, di ba? Yun ang kagandahan na that's the beauty of it. By watching and looking at photos and
Ayan, may street trolley naghihintay ng
movies, watching
pasahero.
movies, and at kung ano-ano pang form of tawag dito yung mga papanoorin at babasahin. Natututo tayo, hindi lang sa loob ng paaralan na natututo. Out there in the real world is the real like form of education.